the iron boots begin to shake. As sleeping hearts begin to wake, the ground now feels a trembling beat beneath the ground.